In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to install Google Cloud SDK, also better known as GCP CLI, on your Windows 11 computer. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to search for Google SDK. Once I'm here, you should be doing something like this where I'll be able to see the Cloud SDK libraries and command line tools. Once I'm here, you'll simply need to go one down, and that should be called Install the Google Cloud CLI. Once I'm here, you'll simply need to click on it like so, and once I'm here, you'll simply need to scroll down until you see the Install gcloud CLI version, and then the version that Google Cloud will provide. Once I'm here, you'll be able to see that you can download it either on Linux, Debian or Ubuntu, Red Hat, Fedora, CentOS, macOS, Windows, or Chromebook. Once I'm here, you'll have two options to download it. You'll either be able to download the Google Cloud CLI installer manually, or you can alternatively open up Microsoft PowerShell terminal and run this specific code down here and then click enter, and then PowerShell terminal will install gcloud CLI automatically on your computer. But for this tutorial, I'm just gonna choose the Google Cloud CLI installer like so, and then from here you should be doing something like this. Once from here, you'll simply need to click on it like so until you will see the setup appear, and then from here you'll need to click next, and then I agree once you have read all of the agreement. Once from here, you'll simply need to click please select install type, where you can add a single user or all users, then click next, and from here you'll need to find your specific space that you want to save Cloud SDK. Once from here, you can click next again, and from here you'll simply need to click install. Now from here, as you can see, download the Google Cloud CLI core, and this can take approximately a couple seconds to a couple minutes depending on how fast your computer is. Once it's installed, it should be looking something like this, where you can see Google Cloud CLI has been installed, and then from here you'll just need to click next. Once from here, you can click here whether or not you want to create a start menu shortcut, create a desktop shortcut, start Google Cloud SDK shell, and run gcloud init to configure the Google Cloud CLI. Once from here, you'll simply need to click finish like so, and as you can see now, it will initiate the gcloud like so. Once from here, you can see here that you must sign in to continue, and you'll need to click Y inside of here and just click yes, and then you'll need to sign in your Google Cloud SDK account or Google Cloud account. Once from here you have done that, it will ask you whether or not you want to connect your Google Cloud account with your Google SDK, and you'll just need to click yes. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!